Okay, welcome to this drawing tutorial with my special guests Clayton and Audrey. And in honor of Remembrance Day, we're going to draw a really simple poppy that you can do at home. The things that you'll need are a grey lead pencil, a red and a black marker, a sharpener, and a razor, which doesn't have to have a funny picture on it, but that definitely helps. And 2 coins. So for this one, we're going to use a 5-cent coin and a 20-cent coin. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you'll need is your 5-cent coin and your grey lead pencil. And the first thing we're going to do is pop our 5-cent coin on the bit of paper and trace a circle around it. How'd you go, guys? Nice, looks good. Alright, now I want you to do a dot as close to the middle of the circle as you can, just a really light, tiny dot. Good job. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is get our 20-cent piece. And we're going to put the 20-cent piece in the circle up against the dot. That's it. Nice work, Clayton. So you just move yours so it's up against the edge of it's up against the dot like that. Now we're going to draw from the edge of the 5-cent circle, and you can copy mine if you like. We're going to draw a circle around this one, just like that. Good job, guys. Well done. Alright, now we're going to repeat that process to the right hand side of our 5-cent circle. So it should look something like that. That's it. Good job, Clayton. Good job, Audrey. Alright, and we're going to do another one at the bottom of our circle. Nice work. Good job, guys. And one more in any space that you have left. Nice work. So you should have something that's starting to resemble a flower. So the next thing we're going to do is get our black texture. And we're going to go over the 5-cent circle that we made. Good job, guys. Nice work, Audrey. Good job, Clayton. Well done. Alright, this bit gets a bit tricky. So maybe watch me first and then you do it, okay? So for our 20-cent piece circles, we're going to do this. So where the 2 20-cent pieces join together, we're going to start our texture there, and we're going to go around and stop where the next one joins up, and then we're going to do that for all 4. Good job, Clayton. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is on each of the little bumps around here, we're going to do 3 lines. So we'll start with one in the middle, and we'll do one on either side. Good job. That looks awesome. Nice. Alright, the next step is we're going to get our eraser and we'll rub out the little dot we put in the middle and the rest of the grey lead that you can see. Here, Clayton. Beautiful manners as always. Good job. Alright, the next thing we'll do is we'll get our black texture again and we'll colour in the middle of the poppy. Just like that. Good job. And last but not least, you'll need your red texture. And all you have to do then is colour in the rest of the poppy. Okay, so if you like, we can hold these up to show the camera. There are our poppies. Now what you can do now, if you want to, you could draw some more. You can cut them out. We're going to cut ours out now. Good job. Alright, so there we have it. We've got 3 awesome poppies. Massive thank you to Clayton and Audrey who did this as a bit of a last minute thing with me so we could celebrate Remembrance Day. So you could do a few things. You could put a safety pin in these and wear it on your chest if you wanted to. You could stick some little sticks to the back of them and pop them in your garden out the front of your house so people can see them when they walk by. Or you could draw heaps of them and decorate your bedroom or the front of your house or your front door, or even make a little poppy wreath out of them. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Again, thank you to Audrey and Clayton who have been a massive help, and have a great Remembrance Day. Thanks guys.